Hi, welcome to a2zknowledge.com. So today we are going to discuss about a Tkinter toolkit library in Python. So what is this Tkinter? It's a toolkit which is used to build GUI, graphical user interface applications in Python. So this is in one of the best GUI toolkit. So we can do a lot of applications like building applications, calculator, and so many things in Python you can do actually. So today I'm going to show you something like a registration form kind of stuff I'm going to create, and I'm going to insert some value and I submit it. It gets stored in Excel. And also we can even configure this Tkinter with databases like MySQL and all. So I'll be loading such videos in upcoming my series video series. Okay, let us jump into the practical stuff. So what are all the prerequisites? The libraries are required as open pyexcel because we are using Excel here to store the data, and then tkinter. So I'm just importing these two, and then I'm just using a load workbook function to load my Excel first of all. So this tkinter supports both Linux and Windows as well. And here I'm not giving the complete path because my data file is the Excel file is inside my PyCharm in the same working directory. But if you are having a different path, then you have to give the complete path here. And then I'm just activating the the workbook just by giving wb.active, and I'm assigning to the variable sheet. And now I'm creating a function called Excel. So here I'm creating a column name, and I'm just giving the information where the column has to be get created in the Excel and in the what name. So if you open this data Excel, so I need a column name here, and the row is 1 and the column is 1. So and that's what I'm giving here. Row is equal to 1, column is equal to 1, and the value is name. So the column name will be get created as a name, and you are mentioning in the A. A means the column name in the Excel actually the position, and I'm giving 30 as a width for it. So you can see the 30. It's a width I'm giving for this. So let me close this Excel sheet. Okay, then clear. So this is to clear the field in the, so you will be getting a GUI. So let me run this. Okay, so once I click some name here and if I give submit, it has to be get cleared. So that's what I'm doing here, the name field or delete. So you can ask me where you have declared this name field. I have declared this in the main method. I'll show you that. And then insert. So if the name field is empty, then you will be getting a print statement in the console. You can able to see the field is empty, and else it has to come means to the else part, current row equal to sheet dot max row. That means in your Excel, I'm just considering the max row. I'll tell you why I'm doing this, and then similarly I'm doing it for the column, but I'm not using this. So now you can see sheet dot cell row equal to current row plus 1. Okay, so current row means so whatever the row that you have plus 1. So the reason why I have added this, see if I type something here, a, I just give submit. Now if I open this Excel, and you can see the name column got created and a is got stored. Now again, if I add some value, if I add some value here, for example b, and I submit it, so this will override the a, right? So that should not happen. It has to be get incrementally stored like a b c d, something like that, right? So for that reason only I'm creating this actually. So current row plus one, if you are not giving this, so whatever the value that you give, only the latest will be get stored in the Excel sheet by overwriting the previous one. Okay, so that's the reason I'm doing this, and I'm getting this name field dot get whatever I'm typing here. So I'm getting that information, and then I'm saving it to my file, and finally I'm just clearing this field. Now we are creating the driver code, which is a main method. So now I'm creating an object for the tk library, so the name of root, and I'm giving a name for the title for the window as registration form, and then I'm invoking my Excel function, and then I'm creating a label called name. You can see here name, and you can see, so this row and column is not in the Excel sheet, it's for this window. So this is row 1 and column 1, so the name. And then similarly for the text box, I have to say row 1 and then so the column 1. So again for the text field also it's the same, right? So you can see here, okay, sorry, so row 1 and column 0 is for name, and then row 1 and column 1 is for text box. So this is in one column, this is in another column, you can see here. And I'm creating an entry point for my name field for typing like text box I'm creating it. So that is where I'm saying it's name field dot grid, and you can see here, and this is where I'm using the name dot the name underscore field I'm creating here, and I'm using it in the methods on top, right? So because for the compiler will start from the main method only. And you can see here name field dot grid, I'm creating this for the text box, and I'm giving the padding, that means the width is 100, and again I'm invoking the Excel, and then finally the submit button. So you can give submit, and even you can specify the colors for the buttons as well. FG and the foreground and background colors option is also available here, and the command is insert. So this is a predefined keyword that TK inter library is used to get the command. So we have a lot of commands like save, insert, clear. So we have so many, delete. So we have so many commands like we can see in upcoming videos. And then I'm just creating a grid view, that is the button. It's like row 8, so that means like it comes in row 8 and the column 1. And finally I'm just starting my GUI by invoking a predefined function called main loop, and now the GUI is here. So I'm just typing my name Gautam. Okay, so submit, and then second next name Saravana. Okay. So now if I open this Excel sheet, you can see like Gautam Saravanan and the A which we have inserted previously for the testing purpose. So that's all with respect to the exercise, and thanks for watching A to Z knowledge.com. If you really like this video, subscribe my channel and forward this to your friends and colleagues. And we do a lot of tech videos in English and Tamil. And I have shared my Instagram URL and the LinkedIn URL in the description box. Please follow us, and we give a lot of workshop information as well in the Instagram and the LinkedIn. And I'm going to upload so many other TK interlibrary videos like creating your own calculator, creating your own registration form like this, but connecting with the DB, and so many other applications I'm gonna do. And if you want to get the complete Python videos playlist, and that is also there in the description box. And thanks for watching A to Z knowledge.com.